two dimensions.
Oh.
When balls take up the entirety of space and time, all being stuck in a never-ending ball cycle with no gaps of balls.
Oh.
There will be enough ball.
Ball cycle reminds me of the laundry.
Yeah.
Like the laundry. Like you put it on the bounce. The ball cycle.
The ball cycle, right?
Yeah.
And then the machine goes bow.
Exactly.
And Moko-chan gets scared and yells at me, "Flower, turn it off! It's scary!"
I have to go. Sometimes I go and hold it.
She goes and holds the machine.
I know the exact moments, the minutes remaining on it when it gets really loud because it does it twice.
Yeah. She's not traumatized.